I'm John Adams. This is Lori Jenna, and we basically collaborated together on the project for the shower.
This townhome was constructed 15 years ago, and the contractor or the developer put in the most basic finishes in terms of the bathrooms. Well, I generally do a lot of my own tile work and interior design, cosmetic upgrades, but in this case I felt we needed an experienced professional. John and I looked on Thumbtack and really didn't feel like any of those contractors had the kind of experience that we felt we needed for this project. And
Right.
A couple days later, Mike came over and we went through everything, and we just really connected with him and felt like he understood what we wanted. And
Yeah, he had worked with us on all of our ideas, and even it kind of changed the project, but they were very flexible.
And we wanted to get rid of the builder's grade fiberglass shower. That was the first objective, and give the shower literally more room and also a more spacious feel. But we also wanted the drama of that back tile wall to give a bathroom that has no windows some kind of a focal point. We selected a large format dark tile,
Right.
Slate look.
Right.
We chose a smaller scale accent tile to offset the dark bronze fixtures.
From the shower end of it, with the tile and then the accent tile, it's very dramatic. They both accent each other. They both balance out. And with the glass door, and we have the recessed shelves for the products that we put in, all the way to the tub, the recessed shelf for the wine glasses. It's got a great flow to it.
I just said to John, I'm thinking if we're going to do this, we probably should do that whole wall and take that wall out. And we got a hold of Mike, and he came over. He really loved the idea. He was actually excited about taking it to the next level, but
Right.
It did mean he had to make some adjustments in his timeline. And so we did a search for tile, and he got in a structural engineer to make sure that what we were doing was safe and would meet code. And
So the wall we took out, that's basically the glass wall of the shower. We had to make sure that wasn't a support wall, which it wasn't. So that's where we had the option to take it out, which we did. So we wanted the shower glass, you could see all the tile.
they were open to my ideas because I was in there often asking, is this how we want to do this?
Right.
Maybe we should change this. And I just felt like they were very respectful of the ideas that we had,
Right.
but also had a lot of knowledge that we
Right.
could know that the project was going to be done right if we weren't breathing over their shoulder every minute of the day. We had to get a special bullnose made to make that stub wall, and he advised us on where to go and how to get that done affordably, which we did.
Yep.
And we could have chosen like a rain glass or a frosted, but we thought just the clear glass would help that dark wall to
Bring it out more.
feel more monolithic and again keep the space open. I also appreciated how once we made a decision to do something, I didn't have to really worry about it after that. I knew it was in Mike's hands, and he and Nick would figure out how to get it done. And we actually went on a few trips while they were working
Right.
on the project, and we came back and everything just looked great and everything was clean.
I would refer Construction Specialties to any friends of mine, because between Mike and Nick, they're both cool guys, and they're both easy to work with. They're both very professional. They explain things as we went along. If I didn't understand things, the process of from point A to point B, so they were very professional, and I'm gonna hire them back to come to my house again. So.